Outside of a certain cotton candy-haired McDonald's and bigotry enthusiast, it's hard to think of a more divisive public figure than Kanye West. Even his fans often find themselves rolling their eyes at Yeezy as he waxes philosophical about everything from his sneaker collection to the dragon energy he shares with Donald Trump. Kanye's rants range from amusing to appalling. It's gonna be a long time before he lives down those slavery was a choice comments.
But generally, even his most baffling remarks are tolerable, as we only have to deal with the man in small doses. The same can't be said for Kim Kardashian. The Wests might not spend as much time together as your average married couple, but Kim still has a whole lot of Yeezy in her life.
And when Kanye flies off the handle or simply makes a big announcement without consulting her first, such as when he announced last week that he's moving to Chicago, Kim is often forced into damage control mode. Not surprisingly, it seems she's beginning to grow tired of cleaning up her husband's messes. Kanye has always been like this. He has a million things on his mind that he wants to accomplish and create, a source close to the couple tells People magazine. Though one can see it as being very passionate, it can still be overwhelming for Kim. Yes, as much as she's relished offering up her private life for public consumption over the years, even Kim draws the line at sharing future plans with TMZ before they can be discussed as a family. She doesn't necessarily love when people now keep asking her if she is moving to Chicago and she has to explain to everyone what's going on, says the insider. It can be exhausting fortunately, as F. Scott Fitzgerald famously remarked, "The rich are different from you and me." And thus, Kim and Kanye have the luxury of spending large quantities of time in different states. When it comes to their living situation, Kim and Kanye have had a long-distance marriage in the past, the source adds. She isn't concerned about this. She spent a lot of time in L. While Kanye was in Jackson Hole for his album. Chicago will be the same. Kim and the kids will join Kanye when they can, and then Kim will be in L.
when she needs to. This has been being fabulously wealthy makes literally everything easier and better. Exhibit 900 bajillion.
What do you think about it? Share your opinion in the comments below the video. And also subscribe to the channel not to miss new, interesting videos.